Ubo's one I'm watching. CRM is another one that I've entered over the last couple of days. I was scaling into a position here. You can see that we're pretty much breaking out of this falling wedge here today in pre-market at least. And then
how long does it take you to get, like, how long will you, like, do you go 1, 2, 3 cracks, and whether it goes higher or lower? How many layers do you like to put on, and how long does it take?
Depends on what I'm trading. So if I'm in an options contract, I'm generally not going to just keep adding. And generally I have a decent amount of conviction when I'm buying. I think in this particular one, I've scaled in twice. So I think I have 10 contracts of the March 2019 250s. The main reason I entered those was really, if you back test some of these previous moves here, when we finally get started on CRM, it can move pretty quick. So back in August, we had this move from around 193 all the way up to 275. In September, we bottomed out at 235 area and moved up to around 270 within about 2 weeks, which was almost 14%. And then we did it again in November. We moved down from around 235 all the way up to 270 or so. So, I'm generally looking at the previous moves in a similar type of situation. I don't use lower indicators a lot unless we have something like this where, we've got this gradual move down, lower lows, but then you can see on the RSI, we're actually getting higher lows here, and we are seeing some divergence. You can see if I kind of draw another trend line here, we're getting really tight within this RSI, kind of coiling up right here. So definitely not something I use a lot as far as lower indicators. They can false signal all the time. But anytime I have, a setup like this where you're definitely having this gradual lower lows and you're kind of getting this spring kind of coiling, I definitely like to look at the RSI and the percent range.